In today's discussion, we delve into the possibility of using your EBT card at Walmart's self-checkout stations. To initiate this process, you'll need to navigate to your nearest Walmart location. Upon arrival, access your Walmart account. Utilizing the Walmart app is recommended for ease of access. Within the app, navigate to your account settings and proceed to your digital wallet section. Here, you'll find an option to add your EBT card. Simply input the necessary information to link your EBT card to your Walmart account. Once your EBT card is successfully added, proceed to conduct your purchases using the Walmart application's self-checkout feature. That concludes the process. You can now conveniently utilize your EBT card for purchases at Walmart's self-checkout, providing a seamless shopping experience. We hope you found this guide helpful in navigating EBT payments at Walmart's self-checkout.